Our machine can handle any kind of component from any kind of input and output, from tube, from reel, from tray. My name is Ludek Mrazek. I am based in Brno facility. I'm working with EPS 23 years almost, and my position is head of R&D and manufacturing center. So we are focused in our facility in Brno to manufacturing technology used in IC programming. So we have a team of software and hardware designers. So we design and manufacture all technologies, including vision systems, handlers, feeders, all technology used in IC programming. So we do support for all our programming center globally. So we have 24/7 support hours, and we do also remote control and statistical records from all machines, means predicting maintenance and so on. Our machine can handle any kind of component from any kind of input and output, means from tube, from reel, from tray, and we can put it to the same medium, and we can scale our production or throughput of the machine by different type of machine. All our machines are equipped by vision inspection systems, means optical inspection for final packaging, optical inspection in the middle of the process, means 3D inspection of lead, the coplanarity. All machines are designed to be with different right access to the operator, supervisor, maintenance engineer, and so on, so to avoid any issues with loading incorrect project and such kind of issue which can happen with manual programming.